today I have glass paint from Laston. It's made by Magicado, and you get 12 different colors, a nice paintbrush, and a really nice paint tray that comes with the set. It's really easy to use. With this, I just draw it on my outline with a permanent magic marker, like this one. Any will actually do. And then you choose your colors and put it in some of the little spots there. And then you paint on your design. And you can make it as light or darker paint as you want, either way. And then, like, once the layer here is done, then you can go on over and do like embellishments or whatever you want, and your paint works really good. Like I said, you can make it a light paint or a darker paint, either one. It works great with these little candle holders that I got at the Dollar Tree. You got 2 of them for $1. They're glass, but it will work on plastic, clear plastic as well. You could do it on colored glass or the clear glass, whichever you prefer. And there's actually, the paints are 12 milliliters, but that's really quite a bit of paint because it is kind of a thin paint, so it doesn't take a whole lot, like with some kinds of paints that are real thick and it takes more and more. So you'll get quite a few uses out of this set. And you can even mix the colors if you want to make them lighter or darker or whatever, or just change the color in general. Like you can take the red and blue and add some white to it and maybe come up with a different purple than the violet that's included. Check these out. They're amazing and they're really fun. You can paint on windows or whatever you want to paint on. But check them out.